Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will guide you on how to download and install the Philippine dataset for OpenRoads Designer Connect Edition. Let me just show you the software. So this is OpenRoads Designer. If you notice, in the list of the workspaces, there's no Philippine standards yet. Okay, so let me just close this for now and I will relaunch it later. From your browser, go to connect.bentley.com and using your Connect account, just log in. So I'm currently logged in already. Okay, in the Connect Center, scroll down until you see software downloads. Click on that, and then from the list of all the available softwares, just look for OpenRoads Designer. Now, if it's not yet listed, just go to product line civil design and then there you will see OpenRoads. Okay, now I'll just click on the icon. So currently, the available version of OpenRoads is actually update 11, which is also OpenRoads 2022 release 1. Okay, so incidentally, the Philippine dataset is compatible to or was developed using this version. Now, in the field or filters, kindly change the deliverable type to dataset and then entitlement to no. Okay, and then click apply. So once you click apply, all the available dataset for this version will be in the list. So notice that Philippines is already included in here, right? And as I mentioned, dependency would be update 11. So you have to have that installed first before you deploy the Philippine dataset. So let's now download. Okay, let me just place it in my C drive, then Bentley downloads, and then save. Okay, it might take a while, so although it's not that big, okay, so let's just wait. Okay, so as soon as the download finishes, just go to the folder location. So this is OpenRoads Designer underscore PH. So it's actually an MSI file. So just double click on it. Now you might need some admin uh, or you have to have an admin access or permission to be able to install. So check that with your IT if you're allowed to install. So once you have already clicked on it, the OpenRoads Designer Connect Edition Dataset Philippines will screen will load up, okay, or show up. Then click on just tick on the license agreement, then install and just click yes if you see this window coming out. Okay, so as quick as that, the data set now has been installed. So I'm going to click on finish. Okay, now I will relaunch or open the OpenRoads Designer CE 2022 Release 1 again. Okay, to check if the workspace Philippine dataset is already listed. So notice here that it is actually already added. Okay, now this is just the work set. There could be I mean, this is just a workspace. There could be a work set also already created, but by default, we've added the DPWH work set. But it can be just about any names according to your project, right? And now another way for you to check if it was already downloaded is to go to the C drive and then program data folder. Okay, from the list of all the Bentley softwares, OpenRoads Designer CE 10.11 is where the update 11 is installed. Configuration, organization civil, and then you'll see Philippine data set is in here. Okay, so there you go. We hope that you were able to follow the steps. And by the way, these standards were mostly based on DPWH standard drawings, and the design standards for horizontal, vertical, as well as super elevation were based on the design guidelines, criteria, and standards for highway design document shared to us by DPWH. We do hope to follow up this video with more Philippine-related contents, specifically on how to use this dataset. Thank you, and please like and subscribe so that you get more updates on Bentley Civil Design for Southeast Asia users. Bye!